couple that are restricted right through there, David. So, okay. You know, yeah, the movement's already improving. This guy's a little stuck. Yeah, this guy's a little stuck on the left side at the bottom there. So, you ready, brother? Keep your chin down. Come on with me here. Oh, nice. Oh my God. Yeah, right there. Okay, when you're ready, big breath, big hold for me. Hold it, hold it. Exhale, relax. Let's get you on your side, face towards me. Here we go. And let's try the other side. Yep, on your back, face up for me. I'll check the lower right, lower left here. Beautiful, buddy. Just here. All good. Yeah, we're good. A little stretch here. All right, brother. Let's bring that up.